What is alimony? Alimony, also known as spousal support or maintenance, is a legal obligation for one spouse to provide financial support to the other after a divorce or separation. Its purpose is to help the lower-earning or non-earning spouse maintain a similar standard of living to what they were accustomed to during the marriage. Here are some key points about alimony. Part 1. Purpose: alimony is intended to address economic disparities between spouses. It acknowledges that one spouse may have been financially dependent on the other during the marriage. Part 2. Types of alimony. Temporary alimony, paid during the divorce proceedings and before the final divorce decree. Rehabilitative alimony, provided to support the receiving spouse while they acquire the skills or education needed to become financially self-sufficient. Permanent alimony, granted when one spouse is unlikely to become self-sufficient due to age, health, or other factors. Reimbursement alimony, compensates a spouse who supported the other's education or career development during the marriage. Lump sum alimony, paid in a single, large sum rather than as periodic payments. Part 3. Factors considered in determining alimony. Duration of the marriage. Financial contributions of each spouse during the marriage. Age, health, and employability of both spouses. Standard of living during the marriage. Custody arrangements for any children. Any prenuptial or postnuptial agreements. Part 4. Modification and termination. Alimony orders can be modified or terminated under certain circumstances, such as changes in the financial situation of either spouse. Part 5. Tax implications. As of my last training data in September 2020, for divorces finalized before 2019, alimony payments were tax deductible for the paying spouse and taxable income for the receiving spouse. For divorces finalized after 2018, new tax laws changed the treatment of alimony, making it no longer tax deductible for the paying spouse and no longer taxable for the receiving spouse. Part 6. Legal process. Alimony can be agreed upon between the spouses and included in a divorce settlement or determined by a court if the spouses cannot reach an agreement. It's important to note that alimony laws can vary significantly by jurisdiction, and they are subject to change. Therefore, it's advisable to consult with a family law attorney who is familiar with the laws in your specific area if you have questions about alimony.